What's going on, everybody? It's your boy DK Andix coming to you again with another video. This video is another shoe unboxing and review. This shoe I originally missed on the when it first released, but it restocked again last week on Wednesday, and I managed to get a pair. I wanted to get other pairs that dropped, but I mainly wanted this one because I was really hyped on this when it first dropped. And so let's just get into unboxing this and see how it looks and see what I have to say about it. As you can see, it is a Jordan 1 box. I got it in my size, which is a 10.5. And the pair I got was the Game Royal Jordan 1s. My first reaction to the shoe, actually, the leather feels a lot better. I have two other pairs of Jordan 1s. They're both the yin yangs, the all black and the all white pairs, and this leather feels a lot better than the leather on those. Most people, when they, well, like, I know of a lot of people who say that this is just the off-brand version of the Fragments, but I mean, it is kind of true, but people are kind of hating on this shoe because of that. I still like them because it gives a chance to the people who can't afford the Fragments to get a pair that's somewhat like them. So, you got the bottom blue sole, you got the white midsole. You obviously have the white toe box with the outers, with the blue accents and the black on the swoosh, along with the back of the shoe and on the tongue. You got blue Nike Air on the tag in the tongue. The inside is just white and it says Nike Air in blue on the inside. And this sole actually has some kind of like suede or cotton type thing. It feels super soft, but it's a Jordan 1. It's not always that comfortable. You got your extra laces, the blue ones, because on here it comes with the black ones. So as I was saying about the leather being nicer than my other ones, it is a really soft leather. I don't know how a shattered backboard leather is supposed to feel, because that's what everybody compares with Jordan 1s, but I do know that it is nicer quality leather than most of the GRs. On StockX, they're going for like retail $10 over retail. At least for my size, I know that it's going for like $180 highest or lowest ask, and then $170 highest bid or something. I doubt that they'll go anywhere else. They might go under retail, might go a little bit higher than retail, but it's not going to be one of those shoes that most people are going to know and have a retro on it or something like that. There are people who have done customs on this shoe to make them the Fragment ones, like Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm pretty sure he has a full video on painting these and adding the Fragment logo on the back where it's supposed to be and making them look like frags. I do know with these that with like the Jordan 1 homage to home, it's got the half Chicago and half bread. There is a picture or video or some about there being one which I forgot the name of, but it's yeah, I can't remember the name, but it's half the Game Royal and then half Royal. I'd like to try to get a pair of those. I think they look good. I don't think they should do anything other than that. Like, I don't think they should make any other half and half shoes. Otherwise, they're just gonna overdo it and lose all the hype with them. I did just notice that with these shoes, they already came scuffed right here on the sole, or the midsole, and up on the stitching right here, right above my finger, there is a little piece that's sticking out, poking out of the stitching. So I don't know if, I'm assuming the scuff happened in the box on its way here, and the stitching, I would assume that it's just one that slipped by. Otherwise, I don't know how quality control really was with this. I can easily get the scuff out, but with the stitching, I don't know what else I could do about that. Overall, I do like this shoe. I am a fan of the blue and black colors. Blue being my favorite color, and the Royals are like one of my favorite Jordan 1s, and there haven't been a retro for that this year or last year, so I haven't been able to get one. But this is the closest I can get to it. I don't know if I'm going to keep them or resell them. If I resell them, it's just to get my money back because you can't really make much more. But if I keep them, I'll have to figure out something to match these with. Obviously some black pants. Not sure what to wear up top other than a black or white shirt / hoodie. And then hat, you can go, if you have a blue that matches this, you can do that. Or you can go black with white or white. I don't have any blue shirts that would match this blue, so that would be kind of hard to find. But overall, yeah, I really do like the shoes. Nice clean pair, nothing super special. And a lot of you, if you want to get this pair of shoes, you still can get it for retail if you do actually like these. So that helps if with those people who missed out on drop day or on the restock, that you can always get it on StockX or somewhere for retail for a dead stock pair. And yeah, I'll have to figure it out if I want to rock these or if I want to resell them. Okay, that will be it for the rest of the video. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe because there will be a giveaway at 100 subs. And then leave a like on this video, comment down below what you'd like to see, what you'd like to see me do better, if like editing wise or improvements on my videos, or what you'd like to see in another video that would be upcoming. If you haven't seen any of my past videos, go take a look at those. I got two other reviews on shoes. One of them being the Yeezy Butters, and the other one being the Travis Scott Air Force 4s, or Air Jordan 4s. So, like the video, comment down below, watch my past videos, and subscribe to my channel. It's been your boy, DK Antics, and I'll see you later.
Look at my rollie. That's a small face. This a big face. She can't see my room. Fuck her in the hallway. Getting bored with this money, count it all day. Yeah, they thought we were soft. Boy, you learn the hard way. Not with all the talking, turned it to a closed case. Look, bullets got dollar and a vanilla. All white, that plain Jane. Yeah, the road's going better. 100 or better. I took the money and flooded my best. You diamond the rock, computer
For this life I cannot change. In the hills, deep off in the main. Eminem, sweet like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it, let it bang. For this life I cannot change. In the hills, deep off in the main. Eminem, sweet like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it, let it bang.
Then we sleep through day, then we play all through the late night. Sleep through day, then we play all through the late night. All through the late night. S'il vous plaît, don't you hate all through the late night.